Welcome to Silber Farms, a rare Northern Oakland County property offering country living at its finest. This 92-acre property features 5 spring-fed ponds, lush rolling established pasture for horses, mature hardwoods, and a vibrant creek that flows through the property. The ranch-style home and horse stables are ready for new owners to bring back to its glory days. The area offers great deer and turkey hunting and borders the beautiful Pollyant Trail to use for hiking, biking, snowshoeing, and horseback riding. The property rests 15 miles north of the very popular downtown Rochester, Michigan. 2 miles to the south is the village of Leonard. The area offers nearby convenience of restaurants, grocery shopping, and medical facilities. Silber Farms is conveniently located 31 miles from Oakland County International Airport and 59 miles to Detroit Metropolitan Airport. The entrance and driveway are lined by a beautiful custom 3-rail white horse fence that continues throughout the property. You're often greeted by the natural wildlife on the grounds, namely deer, turkey, ducks, and many species of wild birds. The property features a 1,200 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, ranch-style home with a detached garage. 4 pole barns on the property include horse stables and plenty of room for your equipment and toy storage. The owner has passionately raised and boarded Arabian horses on the property for over 50 years, so equestrian lovers will feel right at home. In addition to the Pollyant Trail, nearby lakes and golf courses invite you to enjoy endless recreational opportunities in the Silber Farms area. Properties of this size and quality in Oakland County are highly sought after and do not become available too often. For a qualified showing, please contact Denny Doyle or Kevin Doyle or visit HaydenOutdoors.com.